Imagine fighting for months in a city where every shattered building, every pile of rubble can mean the difference between life and death. It's autumn 1942. German armies sweep through Russia, intent on capturing Stalingrad, a vital city on the Volga River with Stalin's very name. But Stalingrad is more than a military target. It's a symbol of Soviet resolve and Hitler's unstoppable ambition. As the Germans advance, the city morphs into a labyrinth of destruction. Snipers turn ruined apartments into fortresses. Soviet women serve as medics, snipers, and even machine gunners. The line between soldier and civilian is erased. The battle becomes brutal, close, and personal. Fighting over streets, factories, sometimes just a single staircase. Some regiments lose nearly every man. At the tractor factory, thousands of Soviets pour off assembly lines to fight on the front line with rifles just handed to them. German commander Friedrich Paulus believes victory is near. But the Soviets, led by General Chuikov, refuse to yield so much as a single block. Temperatures drop below minus 30 degrees Celsius. Supplies dwindle. Soldiers freeze, starve, and yet the fighting continues. Every day, every night. Then, in late November, the tide turns. Soviet forces launch Operation Uranus, a massive pincer attack. Within days, over 250,000 Axis troops are surrounded in the city. Hitler forbids surrender. He promises aerial supplies, but the Luftwaffe can't keep up. Hunger, disease, and desperation set in. German radio operators sent frantic messages. Troops asking permission to surrender. German radio operator said. The answer, again and again, is no. Inside the pocket, entire units are wiped out. In the icy ruins, soldiers eat horses, dogs, anything to survive. The pocket shrinks day by day. Paulus, promoted to Field Marshal with the expectation that he'll never surrender, faces the unthinkable. On January 31, 1943, he gives up. One day later, the remaining forces surrender. The Sixth Army ceases to exist. Nearly 2 million casualties, dead, wounded, or captured, from both sides. Stalingrad is the bloodiest battle in human history. But the defeat is more than just numbers. For the first time, Nazi Germany suffers a public, catastrophic loss. The myth of German invincibility is shattered. Soviet morale soars. From the Volga to Berlin, the Germans are now on the defensive. The Eastern Front has changed forever. And so, what began as a symbol of German might ends as a symbol of Soviet endurance and sacrifice. The ruins of Stalingrad mark not just a turning point, but the beginning of the end for Hitler's dream in the East. What stories still linger in the dark, frozen streets of Stalingrad? What secrets echo between its shattered walls? The war moves on, but the memory of Stalingrad haunts all who survived and shapes the battles yet to come.